discuss and I want to explore and I want to travel and have an adventure with the ability to distinguish between when you are in autopilot and when you are being effective. Because if you look at what does autopilot mean to you, how often does your life go into autopilot where it's just a mindless repetition day after day after day after day, work, eat, sleep. And it feels overwhelming at times. But it's because you're in autopilot. And in autopilot, there's an immense lack of awareness and engagement because you don't want to know, don't bother me, and I don't want to know. That's autopilot. And the stuff that needs to get done, because we all have stuff that needs to get done every day. It's how it works here on earth. Now, none of us are exempt. So the things that needs done, the tasks that needs to be performed, is very often done without conscious thought. And that becomes a very concerning matter because now you're going to start worrying. Did I do it? Didn't I do it? Did I do it well? You're going to start questioning your own ability, your own effectiveness. And very often when you're in autopilot, it's just simply driven by habits. And very often not good habits. Or just the way that you've been conditioned. This is the way you do it and there's no other way. There's always a way. And autopilot can also very much be driven with emotional triggers. That something triggers you emotionally and you just go into autopilot because now you're just switching off and you don't care and you're just like a bull in a china shop, you're just going to get it done. And that can lead to a place where you feel like you've got a mental numbness. Like, your head's numb. You can't really think. And from that is born this immense boredom and this feeling that your life is not going anywhere. Your life doesn't need to go anywhere. Your life is wonderful as it is. You just need to learn, first of all, to let go so that you can make space for new things. So boredom and stagnation comes from being in autopilot for too long.